What's going on? It's Chris from LifterLMS, the most powerful, fast, secure, stable learning management system for WordPress. And in this video, I'm super excited to announce to you the imminent launch of LifterLMS PayPal 3.0, which is our latest update to PayPal. It's coming very soon. There are 4 main benefits I want to give you the heads up about. The first is the awesome new modern PayPal checkout experience that users can experience when they check out for one-time recurring payments or whatever kind of pricing model you can come up with. It's all possible with LifterLMS out of the box and the LifterLMS PayPal payment gateway. We've also removed the dependency on reference transactions through PayPal so that sellers all over the world, wherever you sell your courses, your memberships, your coaching, if you're charging recurring payments, you no longer need to get reference transactions turned on your account. So as long as you have a PayPal account, you'll be able to sell one time and set up recurring payments in PayPal, which is awesome. The next thing I wanted to tell you about is that we have added 13 new payment methods that you can check out with through PayPal. So sellers all over the world can leverage native payment gateways through PayPal that their banks and their economies are used to. There's a list of all those down below. We've got a powerful new button designer and so much more. So check out LifterLMS PayPal 3.0 when it rolls out. It's coming out very soon. Get ready for it. It's going to be awesome, and it's going to bring you even more power and beauty to your learning management system website, whether you're selling courses, coaching, memberships, whatever you call it. It's all possible with LifterLMS. Get ready for PayPal 3.0, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.